A little bit of a short wheelbase update. We got the car back from wiring. Luke's done an amazing job. From what it used to be, it was a real bird's nest. He's also rerun everything that was on this side of the car and put it over to here so we don't melt it with the exhaust. My wastegates are hooked up. I haven't plumbed the vacuum lines just yet. So I've still got the shock res hanging off. It'll go back on shortly. Yeah, so we've got the twin gate set up in there. Sorry for the angle. Did get a few questions on why I went the twin gates. So we've gone twin gates basically to try and help cope with some of the back pressure that it's going to produce. While the turbo does look large, it does have quite a small rear housing still, so we're still at a 1.10 rear housing. And the turbo itself is a Borg S482. It has a race cover and a genuine billet wheel. Once again, fab work by Waltech, turbo manifolds, intake pipe, intercooler, the list just goes on and on and on. He has done so much for this car, bracing the front end up. The whole car actually has a triangle brace underneath here. Mind the paint, it has been sitting in the shed for some time. But yeah, I was having trouble with the cab shifting on the chassis. So they went and egg ringed all the cab mounts and done a few things like that. Shout out to Barthy for cleaning the interior of my car. He slaved for nearly 8 hours and done an amazing job. So Holy Terminator X, it's all hooked up. All we need to do is get a laptop, do a firmware update, and a few small things there, and then it is ready to fire up. It does have power to the ECU at the moment, and it will light up. I don't have the keys on me right now. I'd probably do the typical GQ and use a screwdriver, but I'd rather not destroy the key barrel. We have changed to a twin battery setup in the back. They are quite small batteries, I am aware of this. So we got Waltech to make us up a box. A little bit dark in here, sorry guys. Let's get a torch out. So, nice aluminum box, and eventually we will just cut out the corner here, run the cables through, and then we'll also put a vent outside the car for it. So, not much to go. I do need to fill with oils, add a few things in. Hoping to fire it this week or this weekend, but mainly the hold up just has been time and money. As you'd know, building these things, it is quite expensive, and I also run short on time, trying to build everyone else's projects at the same time. So also special shout out to the boys at Fats. Unfortunately, they're no longer doing custom fab work. However, Waltech, who used to work at Fats, has now branched out onto his own, and he's the one who created this masterpiece and made it all fit. So jump on Facebook and check them out.